欢迎回到九九的频道。那我这一期呢是去了沙巴艺术学院。我去那边做什么呢？因为我听说那边有个 3D 打印室。那我儿子和我其实对这个 3D 打印都非常的感兴趣，它可以随意的打印出你想要做的玩具。那由于我对 3D 模型软件是完全不了解的，所以我是很想去学习这个课程。而且听说他们已经把 AI 融入到他们的建筑设计课程里面了。那究竟是用哪一个 AI 工具来做建筑设计呢？我这次其实也是第一次听到这一个 AI 工具，回去一查之后发现好像还真的挺厉害的，所以记得看到最后。哇 Wow That's so real. Manually align. 你都忘了怎么弹了。姐姐给姐姐 try 一下你的那个 practice， 你的 practice， 那什么东西？沙巴艺术学院离雅比国际机场5到10分钟的车程，是在沙巴唯一一家艺术相关的学院，英文名叫做 Sabah Institute of Art，SIA。我们这次来呢，是因为听说他们这边有很多台 3D 打印机，于是我们很想来看一下，到底它有什么样的课程，适不适合小孩子上。那我们大人是不是也可以上？因为我一直对 3D 打印都挺感兴趣的。我儿子也经常搜 3D 打印的视频，看有什么新的好玩的玩具可以打印出来。艺术学院当然也有很多跟音乐相关的课程，一进门就看到学生拿了各种各样的奖项。在美国的时候，我孩子也是有学乐器的，来到马来西亚之后呢，就停了好长一段时间。我们先来看看他的 3D 打印房，然后再去看乐器房。
Not 3D printed.
Not 3D printed. Wow, 3D printed. Yes. Well, they have the stuff that you want, right?
Are these all 3D printed?
Yeah, 全部 3D 打印的。
Look at this castle.
3D printed helmet.
Whoa.
Darth Vader.
Oh, this is instrument.
Oh, instrument, music
Oh
instruments.
yeah, it's called an ocarina.
Yeah.
It's called an ocarina.
Ocarina, you know the name. Wow.
She know the name.
Ocarina.
Ocarina.
Yeah.
Look up here.
Yeah, so cool, right?
We even need a mask for the
Yeah. Uh-huh.
And this is actually cool.
And Pokemon, the ball.
It's not 3D printed. I know, it's made.
啊，这是那个建筑的，他们建筑要研究他们的 structure。
Wait, this kind of looks like the Chinese New Year, like.
哦，的那个 lion dance， 他们那个上妆的那个妆。哦，好棒哦，这边。
So
Yeah.
perfect. So perfect.
Yeah, so perfect.
Yeah, I know how to.
Show the helmet.
Try the helmet.
Yes.
Wow, it has like light inside.
Yes. It's very sturdy.
Very sturdy.
Yeah.
But it doesn't look like a 3D printed.
Yeah, because it's a paint, right? The paint, the sand.
后来2个小孩还跟我说这是 gas mask 防毒面具，然后上面呢还留着一些 3D 打印的痕迹，但是其他地方都已经被抹平了，非常的光滑。小弟弟很喜欢这个防毒面具。沙巴艺术大学有室内设计和建筑设计，所以有很多学生的作品在这里。
They're gonna demonstrate.
Oh, the 3D printing! Wow, they have everything! I'm so happy right now. Ah.
Can they 3D print this?
Mr. Wong, normally.
Yeah.
I want a dragon.
You want a dragon?
I think the cost the most is material.
Do you have like a small dragon model?
Small dragon. So this is the material. Yeah. Okay, you take it. I got that. Okay. And then so unless you paint it yourself.
Because right now they have like if you just prompt AI to generate a 3D model, And you can use a 3D printer to print it out, like the model that you generate.
Because if it's AI, then depends on the format of the file.
Yeah, Blender. From the Blender, yeah. Blender should be okay. Yeah.
Okay.
给大家 demo 一下怎么样在 Discord 里面呢用 Luma AI 去生成。在左边任何一个机拟的聊天室里面呢，你只要在下面的能打文字的地方写出你想要它生成的东西，比如说 dragon， 然后回车，稍微等待几秒钟，它就会给你生成4个不同的龙让你选。那我觉得3号龙长得比较霸气，我就点一下，那它就会以这只龙为基础，再给你4个不同的选择，看看哪只龙比较漂亮。那我就选了一只最干净的龙，因为其他的好像有一些渣渣在附近。好，我的龙出来了，然后直接点 download。Visit site。还可以抓着它到处乱动哦。它出来的 format 呢，你是可以选的，有这么多个，这些都是。我记得 OBJ 是可以在 Blender 里面打开的，然后选好之后就可以 download。
I think first have to preheat the temperature for the bedding.
在架子上就有很多之前打印出来的样品。那像这个面罩呢，它其实打印出来的时候不是这个样子的，它下面粘了很多支撑的塑料，你要把它全部剪掉，其实有点浪费。其实这个 3D 打印的课程我自己都很心动，很想学。现在有很多零部件都是可以用 3D 打印的了。哦，你看那个小的那个，你摸一下它那个 texture。哇 ，so cool。Yeah.
Let's check out the since they're setting up the machine.
We can go check out the other stuff. Normally, how long would it take to heat up?
For this one, the souvenir. 8 hours.
8 hours?
Yeah, for this one, let me show you.
But for preheat, like to be ready to print?
Around not that long, 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah, you have to.
So to print a simple thing just like this?
Something like this around
8 hours?
Yeah, 8 hours.
Wow.
I think the smaller one is 4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5 hours?
Yeah.
This
That
is
is
the
souvenir.
but it's not 3D printed.
It's not 3D printed. So this is
Yes,
Sabah Institute of Art.
Yes,
Also, you designed this.
Yes.
Nice.
For this one, logo is around
30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
在等 3D 打印机预热的时候呢，我们先去参观一下他们的音乐房间。那1个礼拜前，我们其实有被邀请去沙巴艺术学院的毕业典礼，他们就有乐器表演，非常的热闹。The music hall, multi-purpose hall. 那这个房间就是音乐系的学生来练习表演的房间啦。里面有台钢琴，那其实我们自己家的钢琴呢是从美国搬来马来西亚，还在船上。You haven't played piano for a long time. Can we play? 来吧。你都忘了怎么弹了。太久没弹，完了，全忘了。姐姐给姐姐 try 一下你的那个 practice， 你的 practice， 那什么东西 ？Practice cube， 哦、the piano room。这边还有一个 practice cube board。那听杨校长讲呢，他们这边出来的学生都是在市场上抢着要的，无论是私人企业还是政府部门都需要。那沙巴艺术学院已经有35年的历史了，算是沙巴这边私立学院年龄第2老的私立学院。他们也接受国际学生，还提供留学生的咨询辅导。就是现在校园有点小，需要扩张。They have the recording room? Can I open?
Lock the key. We don't.
Oh, you don't have the key. Oh, the design for Pandora too. Skechers.
This is our interior
So,
design.
oh, Hermes.
Yeah.
Michael Kors. Oh.
These are all 3D printed,
Oh, 3D printed.
Yeah.
Kids, come check out the 3D printed.
but the paint is a bit not deep. But
Oh, so they first 3D print it and then they paint on
I
it.
paint on it.
Yeah.
Because this is for our subject, character modeling, 3D character
Oh,
modeling.
3D character modeling.
Yes, so the lecturer will teach them how to do a modeling their character. So at the end, they need to print it out.
Oh, nice. This is nice.
学院里面也有 Fashion Design Studio 服装设计系。马来西亚这边呢还保留着很多传统的技术，比如说是裁缝，因为你在裁缝这边量身定做可能比你在外面买成衣还要便宜。西装4件套量身定做也才2000多马币。这些服装都是学生们自己设计裁剪，自己 model 走秀，伴奏跟演唱呢都是学生自己弄的。
你能看得到它打印了什么东西出来吗？有点像那个蜗牛走过之后留下了一道那个，就是
It looks like the.
就是 slime 在后面。有没有像啊？
It looks like.
呀，就是扁扁的一个，然后它就是留下了很浅很浅的一道那个印子哦。
You can see.
这
You
我
can
还
see
是
the
第一
pattern.
次看那个 3D 打印，我看到很浅很浅。
And mommy, look. You can see the pattern.
这台机器是别人留下来放在这边的工业级的 3D 打印机，但是打印的那根线呢过期了，所以就不能用。我还是第一次知道原来打印机的线都会过期。So there's no filament available for this machine.
Yeah, this model. This model we have to order it from overseas.
Okay.
So there's some minimum orders that we need to get.
Oh, so this one is the industrial machine
Yes,
that can
industrial
print
machine.
the one that's the 3D printing guy.
And
Oh, maybe we can get the filaments.
Yes. And
So where do you order it? From the US or from where?
normally it's from China.
Oh, from China. Okay.
Even this one is actually from China, but we managed to get the supplier in KL.
Oh,
So it's easy to get all the inks.
all the filaments are all right
These are
here.
inks.
Uh-huh.
So this is for the rest of the machines.
Oh,
But that one we do not have it here.
oh,
It's a
okay.
bit hard to find it. 1G.
Oh, the rock.
The rock.
So it's 3D printed?
Also 3D printed.
Wow. Wow. That's so real. And then look at the details. So I've seen people using like the plastic bottle and then use the cutter to
Yeah.
cut like a thin.
Shredder, we call it shredder. But the machine again is not available in Malaysia yet.
Oh.
So that one, the issue is when we print, we'll have a lot of waste like this.
Yeah.
So it's a waste lah. So normally what they do is they shred and they reprint back into a filament, so you can recycle the
okay.
filament. But we're still looking for the machine lah. We don't have it yet.
Yeah, that one would be so nice because
Yes,
you can recycle
yeah,
anything.
yes. Because I can show you that a lot of waste. Normally when we print, there'll be a lot of small waste.
Yeah.
And then it cannot be reused.
Cannot be reused. So we just have to discard waste.
But I think the 3D printing guy, he has like something like the shredder. Yeah.
They shred it and then they heat them up and then they produce back into a filament.
So is it expensive to get a shredder?
I haven't checked on the price yet because most of the YouTubers they DIY the stuff.
Oh, the DIY their stuff.
DIY
Okay.
the stuff.
Uh-huh.
The one that I watch in internet lah, because
Oh.
we were also looking on how to maximize the filament use. Because
Yeah.
sometimes there's fail frame.
Yeah, it fails a lot, right?
Fail a lot.
How much is it cost for one box? One box.
Oh, this
That is the waist.
that's the waist.
Yeah, basically that's
Oh,
it.
okay. Can I touch it?
Yeah.
So for a little man like this, it's so cute. So how do you clean it up? It's so hard.
Yeah, you have to.
Use like a little
Yeah,
knife.
there's a clip here. You can go.
Oh, okay.
Every machine have a clip.
The clippers all gone.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one you have to clean it and sand it.
Okay.
So one box is 1 kg. It's 1 kg, and then you can print a lot of stuff.
How much is this box? Like
48 ringgit.
48. Oh, it's cheap.
48 ringgit.
Yeah, it's not bad. Have you used that machine a lot? That one?
We did try. You can see.
Yeah,
this is the old filament.
The older
Yeah,
filament.
because you can use the filament expired.
Oh, expired.
Yeah, it's really bad.
Oh, it's so brittle.
Yeah.
Because
Then,
once you expose, it dries. It
Yeah,
dries.
this one
So
expired.
Only
Oh,
open
okay.
it when you want to use it. If you just want to, or you print already. Print already.
小小的，你看。
Okay. Oh, let's go downstairs. There's another one.
老师还说，他们现在建筑设计系已经用上 AI 了。
So what is the name of the software? Yeah, for the architecture, the AI.
Looks AI.
Looks AI. Oh.
This is the portable one. Now it's
Oh, it's printing.
So
Yes,
as
it's
I mentioned,
printing.
so you can see the waist.
Huh?
Yeah, the bottom is waist.
Yeah, bottom is all waste.
This one is the smaller one.
This one I think cheaper than yes. Oh, this one.
Oh, this one's cheaper, but it looks nicer though.
Yeah.
It looks more high tech.
This is the machine that we always bring to our exhibition.
Oh,
Oh.
Show.
I'll bring this one. Yeah, the one of the software developer is our alumni.
Oh,
But the company is not his.
It's not his? okay. With Luma, they just like prompt it, text prompt it, and then send a file to the 3D printer, and then print out the stuff.
That is quite because that one is one more direct approach. Our approach is we teach traditionally because we want students to understand how 3D works. So
Oh,
once they understand how the 3D works, then
Yeah.
it's easy to teach them the shortcut.
yeah, that's better. That's like it should be the right way to do it.
Yeah,
Yeah, otherwise if you don't understand the basic, then
Yes.
you don't know like how to do it yourself.
correct. That's
Yeah.
why when we conducted a small classes last time is in Bangkok,
Uh-huh.
so all the students are very interested.
Oh,
they
yeah.
learn
Uh-huh.
a very basic 3D modeling software,
Uh-huh.
and then we show them how from that 3D software we translate into 3D.
Oh.
Of course, if they understand the 3D, the science behind of it, so I think then we can teach them the shortcut ways,
Yeah.
or the prompt.
Nice. So this is probably the easiest machine to start with.
Yes. Although it's bulky, but it's portable. It's easy to move around, and then the size of the printing also you don't have to print very big.
Oh.
Limited size, but it's worked well. And then dust protection and everything because it's covered on four sides. Compared to the one upstairs, this one is much more easy to maintain.
What's the price?
This one,
Roughly.
10,000. No, because this is they call it the standard model. Around the starting price is 1,000.
1,000? That's it?
Yeah, 1,000.
Yeah, we can buy one at home.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
1,000 something. You can go up to 2,500 for the standard model.
I thought it's expensive.
The expensive one
In
is
the beginning, huh?
Industrial grade one. Yeah, that one is expensive. Industrial grade, I asked because I visited the supplier in KL. So they did mention that for industrial grade, because it's all steel, metal, heavy, and it's around 5,000 starting price. It goes up to 10,000.
10,000.
But the size is big, like as big as this table.
And then you can do more things.
Yeah, you can do.
What about the helmet? Was it printed by this machine or
That one is the other machines.
the other machines up
The one
upstairs?
with no case, right?
Yeah, one that doesn't case because it has bigger sizes and also how to say it? They call it the model is Clarity 10 Smart.
Clearly.
Because 10 Smart they can actually adjust the leveling by themselves. So that's why it's a bit slow. This one
Okay.
is manual. This one you have to set the leveling manually.
Align the leveling. This
That
one.
we manually
manually align.
We fix them. There's a technique like normally we will teach during classes.
Okay.
How to set the leveling for printing.
So maybe the newer version of this machine won't need the adjustments?
Yes, the upper floor one is you can call it automatic stuff.
Oh, okay. So this one's manual.
It's a manual.
How, like for the 3D printing, is there like a short course for adults?
Yeah, for short course adult they already do have.
Oh, so how long is the course and how many
That
lessons?
one can be 2 days. Because the method of our short course is we calculate by hours.
Mm-hmm.
So normally the whole session is around 10 hours.
10 hours only?
Oh. Because it's very direct.
So this one, after done printing, we peel the.
And how much is the course? Do you know the
This one
price?
is,
Because
it's not
not just 3D printing, we also teach them some 3D software, machine maintenance.
So
That one is around,
This one is
if it's work purposes,
How much?
2,000.
2,000. Oh, not too bad.
Because if they go by group, then one we can reduce the price.
Oh, okay.
For basic, for children's or for young adult, there are 2 types. Normally we teach
Tinkercad.
Tinkercad.
Tinkercad. 3D Max.
3ds Max.
3DX Max. Okay, I'll look it up. Yeah. Oh, so AutoCAD. So Tinkercad and AutoCAD is like
They are the same company.
same company, but
Yes,
Tinkercad is
different-
easier.
Tinkercad is easy.
So AutoCAD is like more professional.
AutoCAD is more professional, and normally AutoCAD we utilize more on the drawing stuff. Like
Oh,
the 3D,
okay.
we less use it.
Can we keep
So we normally rather than just use AutoCAD, we use 3ds Max.
Oh, 3DX.
It's the same parent company also, but
Okay.
3ds Max are more designated for 3D modeling.
Oh,
So
okay.
that one, we prefer that one. But now Blender is also catching up, so I think Blender is also.
The waste
Oh.
is basically the outer part.
Oh,
So
also
right
the
now
waste
it's only printing the outer
is all
part.
around
Yes.
it.
Yeah, so we clean this one. And
Uh-huh.
this is our kitchen. I think this you can keep.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Do you teach the course here?
Yeah, I'm
One of the teachers. And your name is
Ade.
Atik.
I send you. Give my-
Okay,
one-
okay.
one-
Yeah, so this one have to send. So let's move there.
Nice.
Yeah. So we also try to produce our own the camera case.
Oh.
Yeah. On this is 3D printed
Oh, 3D
Yeah,
printed
it's not print-
USB case.
case. Yes.
那大家可能会问我说，沙巴艺术学院到底是一个什么样的学校？它有什么样的科目啊？那沙巴艺术学院是一个大专院校，它在沙巴已经有35年历史了，是杨校长创立的。那他是一个非常值得尊敬的人了。就是办学，尤其是华人在马来西亚办学是真的不容易，几乎是没有得到任何政府的支持。而且在疫情的时候呢，因为很多学生是没有钱付学费，那杨校长是自己垫了50到60万马币出来给这些没有办法付学费的学生毕业的。其实我觉得现在就是大学本科毕业出来未必能找到工作，你看就是国内失业率其实也挺高的嘛。但是大专因为它是真的是跟外面的技术跟工业结合了，所以反而出来之后更容易找工作。那我也问校长，这些设计类的科目学费大概是多少？我真的是那个便宜到惊掉我下巴了。沙巴艺术学院的设计类的这个课程呢，3年加起来所有学费总学费也才9000多美金，不到1万美金。那在美国的话可能也就1年的学费吧。那美国学费呢还在不断涨价，分分钟都是3万1年2万1年，可能就是在这边读3年用的费用等于美国1个学期。那我现在住的东马呢，还有沙巴大学、东南亚最美大学，还有沙劳越大学和沙劳越科技大学，这几所学校其实学费都很低，所以如果感觉在欧美国家的这个学费已经让你喘不过气的话，可以考虑来东南亚进修啊。而且这边的吃喝玩乐的性价比是要比美国好太多了，至少是1/5的价格能够达到5倍的质量。
所以有兴趣来玩的小伙伴记得去关注一下我的新频道，叫做沙巴漫游，我会把它放在这边。那在本期笔记里面呢，我也会把之前讲过的 Luma， 其实我之前在12月的时候就已经介绍过这个工具，但是它是比较靠后，所以你就直接按播放呢，我就直接把这个跳到最后面这个部分。还有就是我关注的 3D 打印频道，我特别推荐这个 3D Printing Doctor， 还有打印头盔的萨巴汉，他的 Instagram 我也放在这边了，包括了建筑设计用的 AI 工具 LookX AI， 我把链接也放这边了。那还有就是沙巴高校的简单介绍，然后点开这个网页之后，你就能看到关于沙巴大学啊，还有沙巴艺术学院的介绍。